We met in 2016. I had gone to study for my master's degree. Every college has an orientation day. I had my orientation day, and he was a volunteer there.
I had missed my orientation day. I thought I'll just go and listen to what they are teaching during the orientation. So I volunteered as a person who knows about all this stuff to help out the new students. That day when I was going for lunch, she was coming behind and I introduced myself. Like I saw an Indian person, so I started talking to her.
Go. Ay, ay.
I wanted to go find a job for myself on campus, and finding a job on campus was very difficult. Somebody had just sent me a text that there's a position available, go to so and so place. But being new, I didn't know where that was, and it was raining very heavily, and I saw Krishna there. He had an umbrella and he asked me, what happened, where do you have to go? I said I have to go to so and so place, but it is raining. So he said, don't worry, I will drop you. He knew the building and he had an umbrella and he took me to that place. Well, I didn't get the job, but I think I got a life partner.
तेरे साथ सब कुछ इतना आसान कैसे है?
I always thought my sister will have arranged marriage. I think in our relationship, she would lack patience every time. So I thought getting a boyfriend would be a bit difficult for her. So she did not tell me. I had to be a detective and find everything out. I know who he is. Till then, she did not know that I knew that I had found out about her boyfriend. I started dropping in hints that I know who he is. I know he's from Kerala. I know he's a South Indian.
I'm very excited to see her in India. We have never met each other in India, first of all. We have always been, and I'm very excited to meet her family.
It applies all intelligence level. They are intelligent. We are just focusing कि है product है. Yeah, yeah.
He had moved his apartment to where I was staying, coincidentally. He goes to the gym regularly and he asked, would you like to go to the gym together? So I said, why not? Yes.
लबों पे जो भी हो कह भी दो ठहरा हूँ मैं ये दिल की बातों को रोको ना ठहरा हूँ मैं नशीली रात है तारे भी साथ हैं गुनगुनाते हम
The first thing I asked was, when did you guys start dating? And the second question was, what made you realize that you want to marry this guy? So she said, the day we started dating, I knew I wanted to marry this guy. So that's when I realized how deep love is between them.
पिघल गया पिघल गया पिघल गया पिघल गया
We were one day out shopping, grocery shopping, getting stuff home. We had not started dating or anything like that. It was as friends, right? It started to rain and it was like an instinct to him. We didn't have an umbrella.
Again, another umbrella and rain story.
Yeah, we didn't have an umbrella, nothing of that sort. We had grocery bags in our hands, but almost like an instinct, he held his palm over my head. So I just felt that, okay, if there is somebody who takes care, thinks about himself, then that surely is a right companion to have.
We like hosting our friends at our place. One of my friends started teaching Bollywood dance classes there. So I thought, why not, like, we'll have some activities to do together when we started going for those dance classes.
I was excited about the dance. Now there's one thing, when it was time for my birth, I remember my mother telling me that people were running around in the hospital room, so my sister got scared, and behind a God's picture she started writing prayers to save she thought something was going to go wrong. So she had that love for that sibling. She did not know whether it's a boy or a girl, but she was praying to God. So I believe that's my favorite memory. Yes, you did well. Yeah. My little sister's getting married. Taking a picture of us crying.
When it comes to wedding and marriage, the overwhelming part is the wedding, right? The functions, the decoration. Krishna always says that all of this is a part of life, but a portion, right? The bigger part is the marriage, so we are looking forward to that commitment and that staying together.